Welcome! Here at Assumption College, we prioritize our students' welfare. We provide personalized care and support to our students.
Assumption's well-known quality education empowers the students to excel in the fields of business administration, entrepreneurship, and accountancy.
Assumption's ability-based learning framework helps students make sense of the world and prepares them for leadership in whatever path they choose.
Faith formation is at the heart of Assumption education. The Faith and Spirituality program of Assumption College helps the students deepen their faith and their relationship with God.
All members of our instructional team are engaged in continuous professional development as we strive to deliver high-quality, student-centered, joyful learning experiences in all our classrooms.
Here, you're constantly encouraged to express your ideas and to let your voices be heard, so that when you graduate, you're ready to face the challenge.
By encouraging creativity, innovation, and collaboration, students become stronger individuals to face the reality of the outside world.
I look forward to welcoming you and your daughters here in Assumption College as we continue to form women student leaders who are women of faith and women of action.
This is the gift of Assumption education that we want to share with you.
Welcome to Assumption College's online open house. We hope you enjoy your visit with us today, and I look forward to welcoming you next school year.